The day commenced with a serious tone, as President Kagame and First Lady Jeanette Kagame found themselves in Washington, D.C., prepared to attend the National Prayer Breakfast. They would become part of an assembly of over 4,000 Rwandans and friends of Rwanda, joining in the 11th edition of Rwanda Day. On this Thursday morning, the President and First Lady intertwined with around 3,000 guests, a guest list that was brimming with significant names like U.S. cabinet members, U.S. Congress members, the diplomatic corps in Washington, UN diplomats, in addition to U.S. and foreign business leaders, all congregated for the National Prayer Breakfast, an annual event in Washington, D.C. that brings together political and business leaders to unite in prayer. The most significant moment of the morning was when President Kagame took the podium as the keynote speaker, establishing the atmosphere for the day's events. Moving on to the main event of the day, Rwanda Day 2024 carried a powerful theme: Rwanda, a legacy of inclusiveness within and beyond our borders. This event, a platform for discussing the country's socio-economic transformation over the last 30 years, spotlighted the contribution of the Rwandan community living abroad to the nation's development gains. A critical aspect of Rwanda Day is the opportunity it provides to engage with the likes of President Kagame. Participants discuss topics of national significance, exchange ideas, and strategize on how to further drive Rwanda's development. Since its inception in 2010, Rwanda Day has brought together close to 40,000 Rwandans and friends of Rwanda living in various parts of the world. From Chicago, Paris, and Boston to London, Toronto, and Atlanta, from Dallas, Amsterdam, and San Francisco to Ghent, Bonn, and now Washington, D.C., this event has truly been a global affair. Rwanda Day 2024 served as an inspiring testament to the unity, resilience, and vision of the Rwandan people.